Hello, welcome to how to grow purple sprouting broccoli from seed, which is free from club root. First, what is club root? It is a fungal infection of the roots of brassica plants. It leads to swollen and distorted roots and stunted growth. This first plant has healthy roots and will develop into a strong plant. The second one has infected roots and will grow stunted and in hot weather may even die. Step 1. Buy some seeds. I bought mine from a local garden store. On the reverse of the packet, you'll find growing times and conditions for your region. Step 2. Fill some pots with compost. I use these moulded plastic pots and recycle them year after year. I find it easier to move the plants around rather than individual pots. Water the compost before adding the seeds. We don't do this when the seeds are in place, in case it washes them away. Next, take the seeds from the packet. The seeds are not too small, so can be placed individually. Place 2 seeds in each pot. This is in case one of them doesn't germinate. If both germinate, then you can move one of the plants to a new pot. Cover with a thin layer of compost, then place the pots in a warm place. Make sure to keep the compost moist. Oh, and don't forget to fit a label. Step 3. Within 7 to 14 days, the seeds will begin to germinate. Move them into a bright place, but keep them out of direct sunlight and keep the compost moist. Step 4. When the plants have at least 2 sets of leaves, transplant them into pots. First fill a pot full of compost and make a hole in the centre with your thumb. Prior to transplanting, give the plants a good watering. Hold the plant by a leaf and then try and remove as much root as possible. Place the plant in the hole in the compost and then gently press down around the roots. Finally, give the plants a good watering. Keep warm and watered, but not in direct sunlight. Step 5. When the plants are at the size shown in the video, it's time to plant outside. First, dig your soil, remove any weeds and any large stones. Next, take a plant pot a little larger than the one that the broccoli plants are in and make a hole in the soil. Next, sprinkle a little garden lime around the hole. This helps to prevent spore germination and plant infection from clubroot. Fill the hole with compost and then make a small hole. Plant the broccoli plant in it so that effectively it is grown in compost and not in the affected soil. Now give the plant a good watering. Next, cover the plants with netting to protect against caterpillars, birds and whitefly. The netting has to be quite tall as the plants will grow tall over winter. Following spring, purple florets will begin to appear. Harvest them as you require. You'll notice as you harvest them, new florets will begin to grow. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find a lot more gardening videos. Thank you and goodbye.